Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix negative balance error on CashApp. So before we get started with today's video, I just want you guys to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on the official CashApp website. So if you are getting negative balance or negative balance error on your CashApp account, charges that appear on your account long after the purchase and secondary charges like tips can push your balance into negative. Online retailers may put a temporary hold charge on your account when you place an order, then complete the charge when they ship you stuff. A restaurant may put a temporary hold on your account when you ask for the check, then process it later with the tip included. If there aren't enough funds in your cash app to cover the late charge or the added tip, your balance could go into the negative. So to fix that, you just have to go to cashapp.cash.app and tell them to remove all the restrictions on the support center, and then you just have to add balance to your CashApp account. So just deposit some money to your CashApp account, and this is how you fix the negative balance error. So if you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.